Remove the contents of the kit. You will have access to written instructions and videos on how to complete your order. Scan the QR code on the welcome card. Enter your first name, last name, and date of birth. Your kit is now activated. You can now begin the collection process. Grab your stool catcher. Securely attach it to the bowl with the curved notch facing you. Close the lid. Happy pooping! Scoop the poop into the 2 vials. Screw the caps tightly. Please do not overfill. Fill out the date and time of collection on the biohazard bag. Place samples in biohazard bag. Put biohazard bag in bubble mailer. Find a FedEx drop-off location or schedule a FedEx pickup within 12 hours of your last collection. Thank you for letting Vibrant Labs be part of your wellness journey.